Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, I'm going to take a look at how to change the temperature readings on your Pixel phone. Now, this probably will work with most Android devices, but this is the new Pixel 9a, which I've just got. It's driving me mad because it shows Fahrenheit and I want Celsius. And potentially you might be the other way around, you want Fahrenheit and it shows Celsius. It's pretty easy to fix, and there's actually two ways of doing it. So let's take a look closer at the phone and see what we can do to change it. So if we go into the settings straight away, and what you want to go down is into the system section, and then we can go into languages, and you can go into regional preferences. So if you go into regional preferences, you've got the temperature set, and it will say use default, so that'll be the default for your region. So you can go into there and you can choose either Celsius or the Fahrenheit. Again, choice is pretty much up to you. If you change it to Celsius, everything will be in Celsius. If you change it to Fahrenheit, everything will be in Fahrenheit. Another way of doing it is if you go back into the system languages, you'll see that the device, even though we're in the United Kingdom, is showing that it's got the United States language. So if we go into system languages and we'll do add a language, then go into English, United Kingdom. And then all we need to do is to drag the United States down underneath to the United Kingdom. You get this message saying, do you want to change the system language to United Kingdom? Your device settings and regional preferences will change. So if you click on change, that is pretty much it. So hopefully now, if we go back to the desktop, it hasn't changed quite of yet. So that may happen at some point after a reboot. Alternatively, like I said, you can just go back in, go into your regional preferences, go into temperature, and then you can set it manually to Celsius. It may do it after a reboot. Again, this is a new device for me and I'm still kind of playing with it. So this is essentially what I've come up with. So yeah, even by changing that now, it still says that there. It does change after a reboot. I have tried this a couple of times before doing this video. You just have to be patient or just do a system reboot. Anyway, there you go. That is how to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius, and also potentially change your region settings on your Google Pixel or other Android devices. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, smash the like button if you want to see more content of this on a daily basis. Maybe consider hitting subscribe and the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. And hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.